Kindness becomes a kind of resistance. It tears down stigma. It rebuilds.
So GSC contestant number 8.
And as an advocate, it is my responsibility to give education, proper learning to what really HIV and AIDS is. Remember that all of us
What did I